Alright, this is a video of my kayak that I bought at Academy Sports. It's a Perception Sport 12 foot. Just give you a quick view. Scout 12. I have an aft anchor trolley and a forward anchor trolley. Created a dash for it. 2 homemade Scotties. Depth finder. Battery compartment for the depth finder. And I put an aftermarket seat because the original seat was not that comfortable. It was okay, but and we'll have 2 rod holders. I have my crate with 2 additional rod holders. I have an anchor, Tupperware bowl with some baits, tackle box, a utility pipe that holds net, extra jig pole, and behind I can still put bait buckets, ice chests. On the depth finder I have the wires coming to a side mounted sending unit, which is very water dynamic. I put plexiglass and the water just flows through it. The water line's about here on the glass, so it works perfect. The sending unit is pretty much all that's in the water. Front storage. I'll show you my homemade transport dolly.